Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to change the valve stem for the tire on my BMW X5. This will work for any vehicle on the road and also for bikes and trailers. To do this, you just need a simple valve stem kit like this. I got this at Walmart for $5 and that's it. It's pretty easy. Let's get into it. Real quick, I just wanted to show you guys that the valve stem is leaking on the BMW. Go ahead and take a quick listen. So it's a little hard to see in the actual footage, but I wanted to show you guys up close. This is what the valve stem is going to look like inside your tire, okay? And this is what the tool looks like. So you just want to take this end of the tool and clip onto the valve stem like this, okay? And then turn it loose and it'll come out. But just make sure you're holding it firmly, because once it completely unscrews itself, it'll pop out just a little bit, okay? So I do apologize, I couldn't show absolutely everything. I couldn't show putting the valve stem in. It was too hard, holding the camera in one hand and doing it one-handed. But I wanted to show you guys, I'm clearing the snow out here from the tire to show you guys that the tire is completely flat. You want to make sure the tire has absolutely no air in it before you start putting that valve stem back in. Then you just seat it in nicely and screw it back on. Once the valve stem was seated, I went ahead and filled air back into my tire. I'm going to take the pump off now and go ahead and take a listen. You'll notice there's no more leaking air, indicating we did a great job.